Hi, my name is Tanvir Anjum. I'm your IT coordinator. I've sent you the emails with your peerless email with all the instruction how to set it up. But uh, like there's a recent change in Microsoft authentication process, so it is become a little bit complicated if you haven't used Microsoft email or before or didn't log into Office account. Or even you have logged in before, there might be some issue because they just started the multi-factor authentication recently. So I'll try to give you an overview of how to log into your account and how to use Teams and how to use SharePoint so you can like share all your documents with your student easily and conveniently. And I got some message from some of the instructors that they are having some difficulties using the whiteboard that is integrated with Microsoft Teams. So I'll show you how you can solve this problem just by using a Microsoft whiteboard from your desktop and just share your screen with your students. So I'll open a private window over here. Then all you have to do, you have to type in portal.office.com. Once you type that in, press enter. It will bring you to the sign in portal. So I have created that email just for this. Let me see. So it's PTI Twitter, and I have the exact same access as all the instructor has. So once you put your peerless ID and password, it's gonna take you to this screen, and then you have to register a device with that just to log in. Before it was just you put your email ID and password, that's it. You can log in. But there was a security breach a couple of days back with Microsoft, so they strict the security policy. So now you have to log in 3 times if you count on it. So there's no way to hack your account. Your information will be safe. So once you are at this page, you just select next, and it's gonna give you a couple of options how you can authenticate your account. So one of them is Microsoft Authenticator. I suggest you to use this because it's better, and then you can download it on your phone. So it says on your phone, install the Microsoft Authenticator app. Just press on download now. So in this page, you just have to select get the app. So it's gonna ask you for your phone number. Just select Canada. Or if you're using a different country code, you can put that as well. So I'm just gonna put my phone number over here. Send link. Press on send link. You should, because for my case, I have the Authenticator app already installed in my phone. So just taking me to this page. So all you have to do when you get the link in your message, just select on the link, download the Authenticator app. Once you download the Authenticator app, just go to the Authenticator app, and then I was trying to share my mobile screen as well with you guys on so you can see how to authenticate, but Authenticator has a very like security policy. So even you record the screen, they black out the whole thing. You're not able to see the screen. So all you have to do on the Authenticator app, when you get into the Authenticator app, there'll be on the corner, right side corner, top right side corner, there'll be 3 dots. Just press on the dots, and then you'll see the option. It says add account. Press on that. Make sure to select work or school account. It's not a personal account, so you just select work or school account, and then you'll see a screen. It says add work or school account, scan a QR code, sign in. So in that point, you have to get back to your browser again, right over here. Just select next. and then you'll see the option is to set up your account over here. So you just have to select next, and then scan. It says scan the QR code. And at that point, you just get back to your phone and press the option scan a QR code. Scan your code from your computer. Once you do that, it will automatically save this Microsoft account in your Authenticator app. Once you do that, you just select next. And then there'll be a pop-up on your phone saying to approve the account. So you just select approve on your phone. If you have a security lock on your phone, it might bring that on. So you have to open it with your fingerprint or the PIN code, whichever you have selected earlier. So now this is the first one is done. So your app is registered with Microsoft account. Now I have to do your phone. So same way, you're gonna have to put your phone number again, select the country code, put the phone number again, next, and then you're gonna get a code on your text message. It should be right away, like within seconds. So you just put this 6-digit code over there in your browser. And select next. It says SMS verified, your phone was registered. So you have now 3-way multi-factor authentication with your Microsoft account. There's no way to hack it. Your informations are safe. So press next. Done. Let's stay signed in if you want to stay signed in. And then right about here, you can see your Office portal. It has all the apps you need. It has Word, it has Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, OneNote, SharePoint, Teams. I know from a platform, if you guys are using something else, it might seems difficult at first, but once you get used to this Microsoft Office, you're gonna love it. It has all the features you need, way better than all the other accounts you have. Because one more thing I want to add, you see the OneDrive has a 1 terabyte of backup, so it comes with all the instructors account, all the peerless accounts, so you can back up anything you like. It's like it's 1 terabyte, you can download like billions of files easily. So I'm just gonna show you. So if you want to use Outlook, because all your email gonna go to Outlook, the account you have with peerless traininginstitute.ca account, all your email gonna go Outlook. So you can just anytime you just want to log in, you can just go to the web and then use the Outlook app. For now, I'll show you how to change the password. So it's quite easy. You see right beside the name initials, you see the settings button. You can press on that, and then it will take you to the password section. So press on change your password. So you just give the temporary password I send you in your email. You just put the old password and create a new password just to keep your account safe. Once you have done that, you're all set to use all the apps you like. So for now, I'm just gonna go over Teams and SharePoint. Just in case you have any questions with other apps, you can always send me an email. I can get back to you. So for now, if you're already in this portal, you just have to select press on Teams. It will take you to the Teams. Sorry. Right over here. So you have all the features you need. So all there's a little bit of difficulty when you try to add the external user, means who is not doesn't have an email with Peerless, that all of our students at the moment, but we're trying to give them an email as soon as possible as well. But for now, I'll show you how we can add external users using Teams. So go over Teams, you can create a team over here. So you can class, professional learning stuff, other, whichever you like. So for now, I'm gonna create a class. Suppose, just write it down, class. Next. So search for students. So normally what happens, if it's external user, sometimes it might not show up. Let's see over here. It's popping up right away at tanviranjumabir.gmail.com as a guest. So you can add all of them as a guest. Add. So that's it. Add it. So you can add as many students as you like. So again, you just press over here, search for students, add. That's how you add all the students. So for now, I'm just gonna add myself. I'm the only student in the class. So over here, you can share your files, class notebook, assignments, grades, upload class materials, set up class notebook. They should be able to see this, but I'll show you just in case as an external user, they cannot see these documents. I'll show you how you can make a SharePoint account and share all your materials or all your books, notes, whatever the student needs. You can share on the SharePoints and just send them a shareable link and they can see all the documents on that portal and I'll show you how you can give them permission to change the documents, or you can just give them permission to view the documents so they will not able to edit anything, just in case you have some sensitive documents there. So that's how you create a Teams, and then you can always call them from here. Once you go to the class, you just go to Meet, and then you can go from there. Or if you want to create a time appointment, like you want to create a class for Friday, not today, so you can just go to the calendar, and then suppose I'm gonna create a class on Friday. So, and you can give a name to the class, for now class, and then again the same process, name, I'm just trying different account just to see like all the accounts you can see, so you don't have no issues. So see right away it's gonna, because it's external user, it's gonna say invite tanvi.anjum.ca, so you can add anyone like that as external user, and then you can schedule. Already we selected Friday, so the dates, and here you can select your time. If you want to repeat the same, sometimes you have the same class, so you can just put custom repetition here every weekday, Monday to Friday, daily, weekly, monthly, whichever you like. For now, we're all the classes are online, so you don't have to select the location over here, but you can do that as well. And then you just select send. So that's how your student gonna get a notification in their email, because if they don't have a Microsoft Teams, no issues. They can just use that link to log in. So I'll show you if I can logging in my Gmail, that if I have received the link or not. So to get back to my, so I don't have that Ryerson email at the moment. Let's see. Okay, right over here, you can see PK users have sent you an email. Where am I? Okay, done. So you just see the class over here, and then they can just click over here to join the meeting. Open Microsoft Teams. If they don't have the app, they just can go to continue on this browser. They don't even need that account. If they don't have a Microsoft Teams account, it's that easy. So that's how they can log into your classes once you create them. So let's get back to the Microsoft Teams account as well. So some of the instructor was having some difficulties sharing their whiteboard today. So I'll show you how we can do that. Share our whiteboard. So normally what we do, at the moment I'm sharing my screen. If I stop sharing the screen, we can select. Now it will be a little bit difficult for me to show this bird. So just one second. Well, just on the share portal, it's just right beside it says open share tray. Just press on it, and then on the right side you'll see the whiteboard, but that whiteboard doesn't have all the feature we like. So all we're gonna show, so I'm gonna again get back to my desktop sharing so you can see what I'm doing. So for if it's you are using Windows, you don't have nothing to worry, but I'll show you for Mac. There's an alternative on I'll give you the name for that as well if you're. So over here just type Microsoft Whiteboard. It's from your computer. I'll show you again. So from the search, if you're using Windows 10, right beside the Windows button there's a search option. Just come over here, write down Microsoft Whiteboard right over here. You just press on it and create a new whiteboard. So you remember what I did? You just have to, once you open the whiteboard, you just share your screen from over here. Right here is saying stop sharing. It says press on, you just press on it. It will show you, like, you always share your desktop, and then if you have multiple windows, whichever windows or multiple monitors, you can select which monitor you want to share. So you just open your whiteboard over here, and then your student will be able to see everything. Hopefully you're able to see my screen at the moment. So you can draw anything you like. If you want to import some pictures or anything, just right click on your mouse and see it says as clipboard, add image, add notes, add text, add PDF pages, whatever you like. For now I'll try to add an image. So let's add an image for band. So just if you want to maximize, you'll see there's an option on the corner, should be here. We have to just remove the pin first so we can make it big. So that's how you can add, draw, whatever you like from here. So that's about it. So, and then it's the whole screen, so a lot of space for the student to see. So once you're done, you can just close the whiteboard and then stop sharing. So for the notes, you can, I already showed you how to share notes on the Teams, but for the external user, they might not be able to see the notes. So, but if you share it through the Sharepoint link, they'll not have that issue. So I'm gonna get back to our Office portal now. Sign in. Not this one. Right over here, Microsoft Office Home. So right over here on your left-hand side, there's Sharepoint. Click on it. You can have a see how the welcome page is. Just cross on it. So you can create a site with all your students on it. So you don't have to, or you can just create a site and just share the link with your students. You can do that as well. I'll show you both. You just create a site. So write down class private. I already created a class beforehand. So just So class 1, site description, keep the same, nothing to change here. Private, only members can access this class. You can put a group email address. Select next. So you can add additional members, but if they're external members, which is for our students at the moment, you'll not able to add members over here or owners. So you just finish over here, and then your site is already created. So now you want to select your documents. How do you do that? So I'll show you that. So just we have to add some documents first. So right over here it says document library, app, class, everything. So you can even select documents over here from class sections. So you can upload your documents. So I'll upload up. So it's once you go to the document section, you can share that from here, but I'll show you how you can upload. So press on upload. So one more time. Once you go to the site, you go to the document section, then you go to the upload. So files, folders, whatever you like to upload. So for now, I'm just gonna upload the Peerless logo. It's already uploaded. The document is uploaded. Let's see if you can share this. Okay. Sorry about that. I forgot where to get the link from. So just go on the new. There's an arrow right over here. So press on it. It says link. Sometimes the Sharepoint are having these issues. Right here, over here. So once you select this, then it's gonna give you the option. So that's what I was wondering. So which documents you want to share? You just have to select this. Then you can copy link from here. Links copied. But since it says here people in Peerless Training Institute only, but you have to make it public. So at the moment, I didn't give the permission to do that. So for any classes you want to, I'll make an open permission for all the accounts of the teacher, so they can share the link with anyone. Anyone with the link will be able to see. So you just select anyone with the link, and then apply the changes. Or you can try typing name. It will be only the Peerless, so it's better. You just select anyone with the link, and then you'll be able to see the whole SharePoint documents, and then you can select view only. So let me see if I can change it for now. I'll get back to my admin portal and then try to change the access. For now, I'm just gonna stop sharing my screen. Once I'm done giving the access, I'll get back. I'll start sharing my screen again. So anyone with the link will be able to see the meeting now. So I'm gonna start sharing my screen back again. Right over here, copy link. You can allow editing, and then select specific people. So just select the change, apply change, copy the link, and then you can just send this to your team, or you can send it by your email, and then all your documents will be visible. And anybody is having some issues with those, like with the privacy policy, so you cannot send it to all your students, you can just send me an email. I can give you guys access, but for now, by default, the security policy is like you should not able to share all your link with all the students. But I'll make a custom policy for all the instructors, so they can share the link to any students they like. Just be sure to share with only with your student, or your this documents the other. If the link goes to someone else, they'll have the access as well. So I think that's about it. So we covered how to log into Microsoft portal, how to log into Teams, how to use SharePoints, how to use Whiteboard, or just for the Mac people. So I have found the alternative for, because there's a good like, I think, not what does it call, I'm not sure 100% on Mac. So there should be something like Blackboard, but I found one that's really good that I liked, alternative from Microsoft Blackboard. Okay. So it's called Open Board. You can have a look. This is, even the Windows people can use it. All they have to do is free to download. You can download and start using Open Board as well. So that's about it. So anyone have any questions or any concern, they can just like do an one-on-one session as well. So I work Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday from 12 to 5, or you can even make an appointment with me if you're not free on those times, and then we can go from there. But it should give you an overview of all the features. Any issues, still you can call me. Thank you for your time. I hopefully this should get to solve your problems, and then we'll be able to transition into Microsoft pretty easily. Just the first 7 days, a week or so, then you'll get used to these features, and then you'll see why like all the offices are using Microsoft Teams, and all the schools. Thank you very much for your time. Have a good night.